In today's video, I am going to show you step by step how to use Canva to make money online. I am going to walk you through the whole process and show you exactly how to do it even as a complete beginner to the previous one. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. There are 4 different ways you can make money with Canva, but we need to talk about the first. Canva is a graphic design platform with thousands of different templates that you can choose from, various things including videos and GIFs. Now when it comes to making money online with Canva, there are 4 main ways you can use this tool to start an online businesses. On different platforms, you can provide different services such as social media design, and you can sell those freelancing services and freelancing platforms similar to Fiverr and Upwork. For example, create YouTube videos and create YouTube shorts with Canva, where you don't even have to record anything yourself. And finally, you can earn such as you want by creating designs. After that, you can leverage to promote different offers as an affiliate or even offers that are not for you, and that is exactly what we will focus on in the 4th monetization option, because this option is the most complicated. So let's start with a complete breakdown. So what we want to do is we want you to sign up for Canva, and we want to create an account, and you can also create a totally free account on Canva where you don't need to make any payment. So you don't have to sign up for Canva Pro or anything else, just create completely free account, and then you can work with the different tools they have. Say we have social media designs, white flat presentation, like I said, video, product, website, and a lot more. So you can even create a website using Canva. So it's one of the services you can sell on freelancing platforms too. But before we can go back to Canva to create different designs, we need to find the offer I want to promote. I personally want to advertise a CPR offer, and CPA stands for cost per action or cost per purchase, and in most cases this means I can advertise some offers where people just have to enter their email address so I can get page. So it kinds of like affiliate marketing, but in affiliate marketing people actually have to spend money for you to get paid. Get it? But with CPM marketing they all have to pay. In fact, when they enter their email, you earn money, and it's obviously a lot easier than making people pay for something. And on one of the CPA networks that you can use is called AF+, and as you can see, you can find all these different offers that are going to pay you different amounts for each product or whatever person you're dealing with. So if you go to the search bar, you can search for the type of offers you want to promote. For example, you can see that if someone sign up for this survey website through my link, I will earn $1.80 per person. If someone sign up for this, I can earn $3 to this offer. And then if you get my affiliate link from AF+, and then once you do that, I can get into the Breeze network, and anyway the offer will be that this is the landing page where people can only to sign, they can click on war. Now they can create an account and get paid while completing survey, which will be much easier for me, because I encourage people to sign up because they have an opportunity to earn while completing these surveys. They don't owe anything or anything else. They realistically can earn the completing of free survey, and I get $3 that copy your referral link and create an advertised plan forward. So we go back to Canva and create an order size plan by clicking on customer size. You can choose anything else, and you can even choose permade templates from the left. And if you want to advertise design it, and you can easily customize it. Basically, you can change the front, you can do anything, write another one here so that the video is not long and you are not bored. I will refrain from telling the details, but if you have any question about this, put it in the comments after the designs is ready. You can download it. We come to the last step. You can go to the Pinterest site. About it has hundreds of millions of visitors every month, so you can only use this platform to promote your designs. And as I said, this is the fourth way you can make money. So it is one of the ways that you can advertise, you can design perfectly. Just click on create pin and post your design. Write title and add your link. You can easily earn great online income using Canva and design. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.